Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how you could create animated videos for kids. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So this channel generates a lot of money by creating these simple learning videos for children. I'm going to show you how you could do the same with the help of AI. I'm going to divide this video into 5 parts, so be sure to watch the video till the end. So first, let's go ahead to ChatGPT and create my script. I have used this AI PRM to generate my script better. On how you could get this, just search on Google AI PRM and you're gonna click on the first link that it pops up. Wait for it to load in and you're going to see these extensions. Just click add to Chrome and you're gonna be able to use AI PRM immediately. So after heading into AI PRM, just scroll down, click this YouTube script generator, and I have write a child learning script about various land animals. I will send it, wait for it to load in. So now that the AI has finished generating our script, I'm just gonna scroll all the way up and I'm gonna copy this script and I'm gonna paste it to my docs to access it easily. I'm gonna do this one by one. After that, let's now generate our voice for our script. We could do that by heading into Credo AI. If you're new to Credo AI, you could register by clicking free trial right here and just typing your email address here. After creating your account, you may need to verify it. And let's now proceed by clicking into AI text dubbing right here. And this is where we generate our text into voices. We can start by choosing our voice right here. For this example, I'm just gonna pick Anna. So you could go back to our Word document. I'm just gonna copy this first script that I copied here. I'll go back to the Credo AI and I'm gonna paste it right here. Now to hear the example, you're just gonna click the audition right here.
Hello, explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today,
So once you like the voice, you could just proceed by clicking the confirm button right here. And this is it. I'm not gonna download it yet. I'm just gonna click create text dubbing for the other scripts. And you can do this for all the scripts. After successfully dubbing your script, you can now proceed by downloading them one by one. This finishes our voice generation step. In the next step, we will learn how to animate these voices. For animation, we're going to use Adobe Express. So to start, just click on Create Now. Now, after successfully logging into Adobe Express, you may choose your preferred character. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use Zippy right here since my topic is about land animals. And for the background, you can choose any color that you want, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use transparent. And for the size, make sure you choose YouTube and 16:9 size. And to upload your voice, you're just gonna click this browse right here and locate your downloaded audio. So right now, I just uploaded my audio. It's gonna take some time. Let's just wait for it a bit. So just to update you guys, I changed my background to the colored one because I cannot download the file with the transparency on. So right here, we could instantly watch what we made. I'm just gonna play it for you.
hello, explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarked.
So as you can see, Adobe Express has really did well animating this audio. We could now proceed by animating the rest of our audio. So you can just go ahead and download your file right here by clicking this. After downloading your file, you're just gonna click at the back icon right here and you're gonna upload the rest of the audio. After successfully animating your audio into these animated videos, we have finished the third step. Let's now proceed to the fourth one. So for the second to the last step, we're gonna head to Canva. This is where we make our background and our animation. So if this is your first time using Canva, you can go ahead and register to your email address. It's free, you don't have to pay anything. So with all that being said, let's now proceed by creating our background. We can go ahead and click more right here and scroll down until you see the YouTube one. So after loading into your template, you can go ahead and click elements right here. And you can go ahead and search for forest backgrounds. So adjust your graphics depending on your template. And I'm gonna add some animated trees by just typing some animated trees in the search bar. So after adding everything to your background, you can just go ahead and change the timer by clicking right here and clicking the clock icon right here, edit timing. Now you're just gonna adjust it depending on your voice durations. So for an example, my animation voice is around 18 seconds. So I'll adjust this animation to 18 seconds also to synchronize it very well. Now to export your background, just click on share, download, and you can click download right away. It's gonna download for you instantly. So after doing all that, let's now go back to our script. And for our first animal, we have a lion, majestic lion. I'll go back to Canva and I'll search for a lion graphics right here. Once you have chosen your graphics, just drag it inside your template. This is where Canva's magic happen. Just click on the graphics, click on animate, click create an animation, and just drag your graphic whatever you want your animation to go. So for mine, I'll just drag it across. So after animating your graphics, you can now adjust it even more right here. Smooth, steady, the speed, rotation, flicker, pulse, and wiggle. After adjusting your preferred animation, you can just go ahead and click done right here, and you can click share and download this. You can just go ahead and do this for all the animals on your script. So for my second one, I have here just the cheetah, which I'm gonna do next. So now we're at the fifth step. So for this step, we're just gonna incorporate every footage that we got. I'm gonna use CapCut for this demonstration, but you can use any editing tool that you have. I'm just gonna open my folder that contains every footage that I got from the AI. So once I have uploaded my clip, I'm just gonna incorporate them one by one. So in this method, we're just gonna use the Chroma Key. Any editing tool has that tool. So for CapCut, you're just gonna go at the video category, cut out Chroma Key, check this checkbox, and click this color picker. Choose the color blue and rise in its strength, and right here we have our green screen. I'm just gonna adjust it depending on my video right here. So I'm gonna place my animation right here. I'm gonna play it for you.
Hello, explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure as we dive into the fascinating world of land.
So as you can see, it really works. Now I'm just gonna edit my whole video right here, and I'm gonna show you the results.
Hello, explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure as we dive into the fascinating world of land animals. Get ready to be amazed because we've got a wild journey ahead of us. Our journey begins in the heart of a dense, vibrant jungle where countless creatures call home. Let us learn about some incredible animals that inhabit these lush landscapes. First up, we have the king of the jungle, the majestic lion. Lions are known for their golden manes and powerful roars. They are the epitome of strength and courage. Now, meet the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. These sleek predators can sprint at incredible speeds, making them exceptional hunters. Up next, we have the gentle giants, giraffes. With their long necks and elegant strides, they reach high into the treetops to enjoy their leafy feasts.
So with that simple editing, we could really create something amazing here. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.